Okay, this is an instructional video for the Shoal Creek drama, Let Go, Open Up. It starts out relatively simple with just a B minor to an E minor, B minor, E minor. Then I play it down in the first position, this next line. So that's a E minor, A, D major 7, just barring the first finger across the top 3 strings. And then the G major 7 is second finger, 3rd fret on the B string, 3rd and 4th finger, 4th fret on the G and D strings, and then first finger on the 3rd fret, and then barring the first finger there on the to get that F sharp. So that's the way I play the G major 7. You could also play it like this if you wanted to, just like a regular G, only get the F sharp with that finger, so you could play it. And then an F sharp. So the chorus then is a kind of a walk down. You're going B minor, A, E with a G sharp in the bass. So this is like playing a C, moving a C formation all the way up to the E position, and barring the rest of the strings there. So it is the B minor, A, F, E with a G sharp in the bass. And then G, F sharp 7. I don't know if I add the 7 there or not. I think I usually just do it because it passes by so quickly. So the progression goes pretty fast. You repeat that 4 times, and then the last time you go, it goes. The last time you hit that F sharp, it goes up to a C. Then C, G, F sharp, B minor. So the last progression is. Then during that second verse, I can't remember what he's doing. Punctuation. I think he's just doing some percussion stuff, hitting muting the strings and then hitting it like that. Let's see. Then you go into the chords over the drama again. Then she's just speaking a lot over that, and you just play the chords through that chorus just as written while the actress recites her lines. And then bridge is I'll talk to you if I'm going to open up my field. Answer me, are you going to show me something I'll be able to believe in? No, I don't think he's. Well, anyway, when I'm going to also do a video on this to play along with the recording itself, so that you can see a little more of what I'm doing. But then she goes into that at the end of that rap. She goes, "I'm gonna make a wager of fate. On the line. Go for my heart again." and then there's a break, and the drama ends. I hope I'm not just talking to myself here. And the bridge 2 part goes like this. C sharp minor, that's pretty straightforward. F sharp minor there, B. And then the F sharp minor, then the D sharp minor 7 flat 5 is, those are the strings. So you hit the D sharp here, your 3rd finger goes on the 7th fret here, your 2nd finger goes right under the 1st finger on the 6th fret here, and the little finger goes here, and you're just playing those 4 middle strings. And then the G minor flat 7 flat 5 starts here. You just move, you essentially take the fingers, you move them all exactly 1 string up and 1 fret back. Alright, so it, and then the G sharp 7 suspended with your little finger, and then a straight G sharp 7. So that goes C sharp minor, F sharp minor, B, C sharp minor, F sharp minor, D minor 7 flat 5, G minor flat 7 flat 5, G sharp suspended, and G sharp, I guess that's a 7. It doesn't say 7 on the chart, but it is actually a 7. If I think about it, I'll change that on the chart. So then the outro, and this is the last part, the outro is easier than it looks. When you look at that F sharp 9 over A sharp, it looks funky, but it's pretty simple, because what you're doing is you're barring your 1st finger across the 9th fret here, on the you're going to bar it across there on the 9th fret, and you're just playing the D, G, and B strings. But you start that with the C sharp minor here. Then you lift up your 3rd finger. Then you slide your 1st finger back 1 fret, and you bar the same 2 notes on that you had before on the G and the B string. And then you go down to an A here and a G sharp. So it's kind of cool, because it's just that walk down. You're walking down on the D string. And then adding some color to it. So I'm going to stop this now, and then I'll record a second video along with the recording to give you an idea of what it sounds like, the real deal.